Alright, we're here at the Bathurst 6 hour. We've just set up the car, we unloaded yesterday. We've got scrutineering at 4:20 today. So we're in the M3 for this year, going for the outright win. We've got Jack here with us, driving, and Grant. So Grant's come all the way from Perth and Jack's come from Brisbane, or Melbourne, New Zealand.
Melbourne, straight to Bathurst.
Yeah,
we're here.
We thought we'd be wanky and get a supercar driver on this year. But
could have been a better one, mate. Like,
yeah.
Could have done better.
I had to ask Betty if we could borrow you. She said no.
Go Vast Motorsport, how are we guys?
Very, very good, thank you. Nice and cold today.
How'd you sleep last night?
Slept pretty good, my own bed, fireplace, gas heater, fresh pyjamas.
Any advice for Armos at the driver's briefing?
Shut up and do as you're told by Barrel.
Do what you're told. How you feeling, mate?
Don't put the camera on me.
Not on you.
Morning.
How you going?
Very well.
Is the arguing starting already?
Yeah. Early morning, mate. Get the blood pumping.
How do you reckon the boys are going to go this weekend?
I reckon P1.
P1, yep.
Ready for practice one.
There was a couple of times I was coming out of the dipper and just like short changing for the right, and because I think I was on a part throttle, kind of had to do it.
Yeah, mate.
It's a clear air. I had two cars go off in front of me.
Nice.
That Mustang.
That Mustang, that red Mustang.
No.
He went off down here as well, and he's come round, he's done a U-turn right here, in front of everyone.
Yeah, right.
Wow.
Well, I was right behind him when he spun. So he spun out, and I basically stopped.
Because there was another guy that spun in front.
Yes, he was trying to avoid it.
Yeah, right.
So he went outside, and I was like, no, I just basically stopped, waited for them all to move, and then I went down the inside.
Mate, there's going to be some carnage, I'm telling you right now.
And as soon as I go outside, there's a Mazda 3 plonked down. I'm like, oh shit, get on the brake.
Yeah.
But they don't all just like move to one side. Yeah, practice one just finished now. Grant just got out of the car, so the car was quick. Got a few little changes we're going to make, but we're there or thereabouts. We're up the front with all the other guys, so yeah, very successful first session. How'd you find it?
Yeah, like you said, very successful session for us. A long time since I've been around this track, and just trying to find some clear parts of the track with 71 other cars on there. There's not a lot of room, and the speed differences can be challenging. So a few cars went off in front of me, but we managed to miss all the mayhem and bring it back.
Alright, so we're here with Amanda. Amanda, practice one done. What's your role here this weekend?
I'm doing driver changing, so basically pressing buttons, changing water, making sure the drivers get out quickly, easily and fast, so we can get back on that track at that 90-second mark.
Cool. Obviously Dad's driving this weekend. How do you feel about that?
Good, because he's been lagging with the racing recently, so it's good to see him get back out, and hopefully we can come back with a podium this weekend. Later in life, I want to be an engineer in the supercars, so this is a really good stepping stone for me, and I'm really excited. I'm really thankful for this opportunity this weekend. I'd like to thank Barrel for actually inviting me. I couldn't actually be happier, and I feel really important.
Yeah, that's great. All right, going places. Cheers. Thank you.
Thank you.
Do you want the knife? I've got a knife.
It's gonna be a good day.
We are family.
Take your shirt off.
Yeah, so how'd we go today in qualifying?
Did quite well, mate. Did very well.
Did really well, yeah?
Yeah.
Happy with it?
Happy with the result.
Johnson jumped in the car, which was cool.
Yeah. P8. P8.
Yeah.
So, tomorrow, Mile will jump in first thing.
Yeah, cool.
And send it.
It's going good. Going a lot better.
Yeah, having fun, yeah.
Yes, definitely having fun. Like seeing cars go fast.
Yeah, how'd Dad go?
Dad, I think he got like 8th in the end.
Yeah.
But he came in on accident.
Oh, okay.
But
That's alright though, he's having a crack. Yeah.
yeah, it's fine. We'll get him tomorrow.
Yeah, alright, we'll catch up with you tomorrow.
So this is Dad. Right with his little
Yeah.
V8 CPU.
Winton's in Adelaide, is it?
Shattering crash. Oh, that's nasty. Impact. Look at it move that concrete block. His car was
Heavy, eh, mate?
completely totaled.
Destroyed the car.
Oh no.
Cracked the rim, hit the elbow, but it hit the roll.
There goes the diffs, the front diffs. Alright, Armour, we're going to keep it rolling, mate.
Yeah, mate.
Talk us through qualifying and your hopes coming into tomorrow. We've got a big day ahead, hey?
It's going to be a huge day. Qualifying was good.
Yep.
We're in the top 10.
Yep, cool.
Grant did a good job.
Yep.
The boys are just
doing a little bit of maintenance.
yeah,
small
just
things.
checking everything, making sure it's all good.
Yep.
Before tomorrow.
Yep.
Making sure nothing's broken.
Yep.
Nothing's leaking.
Yep.
And that way we'll last the whole distance. Yeah, we've got to be there at the end to win it.
Hang in there, yeah. Alright, we'll
That's it.
catch up with you tomorrow, mate.
No worries, mate. Take care.
Okay, I should really stop recording. Why am I?
As you can see, Barrel's super excited today, aren't you, Barrel?
Always excited.
Turn 1, Berrington sweeping around the front. Randall is in the outside in the orange and pink BMW.
One of the most exciting parts of an endurance race here at Bathurst. You want to be calm.
girls.
Hello.
We finished Bathurst.
We did.
Yes, we have. Still with smiles on our face today.
That's
I
good.
think we've done really good.
Yeah. We made it in one piece, and the car made it in one piece, and we finished.
And we've not even had the car that long either. Like, we've had the car since November, so we've still got plenty of work to do. This is the first time our teams actually come together as one, and so yeah, I think this is only just the beginning, isn't it?
I think we've got our A team in next year. It's on.
We're on.
Well, we had a good go at it, mate. We just got a bit unlucky with the tyres, but we'll come back next year bigger and stronger, and they're great. Everyone done a great job. Look, the team's brand new, so we've done a good job, mate.
Mate, we've done an amazing job. You've done an amazing job as well, mate.
Thank you. Cheers.
Good on you, mate. Thanks, mate.
It was all going well until it wasn't. And I'd struggled with the fuel. Once I got it in, it went smoothly, but get it in the hole was a bit difficult. But my last one, I got some lubrication on the couplings, and it worked quite well.
Really excited, and I'm still very excited. I've learned plenty, and I'm really happy with the result just for the fact that we finished.
You know what? Had a fun day. Wasn't the result we're looking for, but you know what? We finished the race.
Yeah, no, it's good, mate. Yeah, it was. It's always good fun. Awesome event. First time doing it, so had an absolute blast. And yeah, come back again next year, do it all again, and just keep on pressing on. So no, it's been a good fun, and thanks to all the team, the guys from Vast Motorsport, Amar and Barrel, guys did an awesome job, and Granty boys. So good times,
mate. That's all that's needed. Good on you, Jack. You're an absolute legend. You have fun in Tassie in 2 weeks,
buddy.
mate. All good.
Yeah, we had a great one. I think for the first time for all of us, first time having the car, all of us together to finish the race, it's pretty special. So everyone in the team did really, really well. They all stuck to their jobs, and we got there in the end. We finished the race, so we were looking to finish, and we did that.
We had a lot of little niggly issues, whether it's overheating or tyres or power steering failures. Sometimes you're the tree, sometimes you're the dog. Today we're the tree. So car was actually, even though it's a proven car, it's a new to us car, and we had a few little electrical gremlins creeping in the pre-race, and yes, I think we just need to work on that, and the car's going to be a jet. Yeah, good to have the two kids on the crew as well.
They did an amazing job, mate.
Yeah, they did, and it's their first kind of real hit out in that kind of environment as well, and going forward it can only be a bonus, can't it?
Onwards and upwards from here, mate. You're an absolute legend, Grant. Mate, congratulations on today. As we said, not the result, but bigger and better next time, hey?
That's it. That's what we're here for. That's motor racing.